Let us find the measure of angle bisector CD of a scalene triangle ABC with side AB measuring 12 unit, side BC measuring 8 unit and side CA measuring 10 unit. We draw a bigger diagram and let us assume DB to measure m unit. We do not know the length, so we assume the unknown to be m unit. Now the total measures 12 unit, AB measures 12 unit and DB measures m unit. So AD must measure 12 minus m unit. Since CD is the bisector of angle ACB, we can apply angle bisector theorem to say that 10 by 8, once again 10 divided by 8 equal to 12 minus m divided by m. 12 minus m divided by m. Can we solve for m? Of course. 10 number of m equal to 96 minus 8 number of m, or 18 number of m equal to 96, or m equal to 96 divided by 18. We can cancel by 6 out to say that m equal to 16 by 3. Can we solve for AD now? Of course, AD equal to 12 minus m, that's equal to 12 minus 16 by 3, that's equal to 20 by 3. Now we just apply the angle bisector length formula. Okay, by angle bisector formula, CD square equal to difference of the product of AC with CB and product of AD with DB. Can we solve for CD? Of course. CD square equal to AC measures 10 unit, DB measures 8 unit, DA measures 20 by 3 unit and DB measures 16 by 3 unit. Now, it's a matter of simplifying this expression. We get 720 minus 320 divided by 9, or CD square equal to 400 by 9. We can simply take the root to say that CD equal to root 400 is 20 and root 9 is 3. So CD equal to 20 by 3 units. Once again, CD measures 20 by 3 units.